continuing the adventure in Bodega Bay, here's the Potter School, which is featured prominently in a few scenes in The Birds by Alfred Hitchcock. The lands are maintained. There was a caretaker on the grounds today, which is good to see. So this was used in 1962 by Hitchcock for The Birds in the scenes where, you see the kids running down the side. It's right near the church. Really cool to see this, still so well maintained, such a piece of history. And in 1966, it was purchased by the Taylor family, who maintains it to this day, which is awesome. See y'all next time.